that when you go to fold the hood of a T-type and an MGB, very simple, you have to undo the buttons at the corners and you have to pull the hood out. There's a good reason for this, because if you leave the hood within the scissors, believe me, it'll cut through it. And if it doesn't do it immediately, by the time it's been driven over a bumpy road with the old hook, and it just literally works its way through the materials. I mean, with an MGB, you have to undo the rear quarters. Personally, I always pull the hood cover out so that it's completely free, and then fold it down. But we've had countless over the years, people have come back with a brand new hood, which is now 300 quid, and complained that it's faulty. There's a hole in the rear window or in the rear quarter. Yeah, we've seen it regularly. It's because you haven't undone the hood. You haven't read the instructions. Goes through to approximately there, no further, because otherwise, when you go to fold the hood, it starts to tear the hood or tear the fixing. Right on the corner here, there should be a press button. When you go to drop the hood, please pull the press buttons off, otherwise it starts to tear the hood. So before I move on to the side screens, any questions?
But you're squashing it there, Bill.
Like that.
Squash it. You squashed it. Well, it's sitting behind the look at my side. So that is flat down there. That is flat on top of it. Nothing's cracked or crimped or anything.